The Z5 kept walking in the bubble forest. Sunlight scattered through the branches along the trail, and it was quite confusing for the crew to spot any sign of shiny golden yellow yapples. After hours of walking, some of the little guys were getting frustrated and impatient, without real yapples in sight. Stark, Nova is still following us.
Nah, it's fine. We'll just watch out for those vultures and keep looking for yapples on the trees.
Oh, please, forget about it. We're literally heading ourselves to a jungle mirage. Exhaustion will beat us before we get anywhere.
Stop it, Monique. You are not helping.
Oh yeah? Then what else have you done besides being bossy? Monique, just give him some more time, will you? Well, fine by me. Bundy loves Stark. That! Look, guys, a Heggy bird just flew over. See? There you go again. Stark does this all the time. When he cannot deny, he distracts us. No, Monique, Haggybirds love yapples. That's why. I mean, yapples must be around. Ooh, yummy yapples. Can we get some Haggies to eat, by the way?
Hell no, Howard. We're no barbarians.
The crew members then began searching for Haggybirds in the trees. These birds act in a sneaky way. They have bright blue and green feathers and sharp yellow eyes. Nova was also fascinated by the appearance of the bird. At least he thought they were friendlier than the burrow's vultures.
Howard, if you really mean it, I can help you.
I heard that. Listen, I don't care what you're capable of. But you don't sound like a good person from what you said.
Sorry, I was just trying to help.
Whatever, but you are definitely gone if you get on our nerves again.
Wait, Stark, how in the hell did he hear what we said?
I've no idea. Might be the wind.
Howard, I can see lots of birds.
What?
Shh, quiet. I have better eyesight than you guys with my infrared vision.
Infrared? What's that?
I'll explain to you later. You must be tired now. Can we just ask Stark for a break?
I don't know. What do you want?
Nothing. Just concerned about you. You look exhausted. And Stark hasn't got much sympathy to notice you guys. Maybe you could fake a tumble. Then he'll give us a good break.
Sounds good to me. I'll try.
Oh shit. If anybody finds out, I'm dead. Shh, Howard. Please stop crying, okay? You're fine.
No, I'm not fine. This is all your fault.